let's move forward and let's connect with the first management. We are being joined by the management of Glottis, one of the recently listed counters, and the company has posted its first time earnings on the bourses, wherein this time around we have seen a decent set coming in by the company when the revenue has seen a jump, and especially in terms of the margins, that has seen a good growth from 9.5% to 9.9%. That's a logistic company. They provide logistic solutions. But what's the way forward? Let's connect with Mr. Ramkumar, Senthilvel, Promoter and Managing Director, as well as Rajshree, Chief Financial Officer, joining us. A very good morning to both of you, and thank you so much for your time. Firstly, Rajkumar, if we can have your take on the earnings, help us understand what factors helped you this time around, and what were the key triggers for the company and the earnings so far.
Good morning. Thanks for having us with 80 Now today. Yeah, so the top line has increased Q1 to Q1 from FY25 to FY26. The Q1, so we have increased the top line, and PAT also we had maintained a growth of like 11.9 odd percent. So automobile and energy again has given us this growth path, especially in this Q1, and EBITDA also we have improved from last quarter. So EBITDA also stands like 10.1%. So we look forward, and we are very bullish going forward in the upcoming quarters also with these two sectors like automobile and renewable, which could give us more strength.
Understood. But Rajshree, let me come to you as well. Margins that have seen a good growth from that 9.5% to 9.9%, almost 10% level. Do you see, are these levels sustainable? What's the outlook going forward for the rest of the year and FY27 as well?
Actually, after listing, the company started the results with a positive note, and we have increased our revenue from 149 crores to 168 crores, which is a good thing. And also there is a steady, if you see the trend, there is a steady and consistent growth in terms of revenue volume as well as the PAT margins. So it's a steady growth in terms of all the financial metrics.
Indeed, but Rajshree, what's the outlook going ahead? Because the markets always want to know the visibility. This time around, you have posted very good set of numbers. But the key question lies, being a logistic company, you have actually improved your margins, but are they sustainable? And are you, will you be able to build on to these numbers in the times ahead?
Yeah, we are focusing on the expansion of the customer base as well as the volumes, and we'll be definitely we are focusing on the business part. So I think there will be definitely a steady and consistent growth in the future.
Understood. But sir, wanted to understand, how do you plan to invest towards fleet expansion, and what's the kind of investments that going into technology and warehousing? If you could just give us a breakup of that.
So fleet investments and container purchase have already kick-started, so we have initiated. So we will start deploying the proceedings within next couple of weeks under different tranches. So we are focusing to deploy these funds within like 6 to 7 months. That is the plan what we had, and we are in the same trajectory. We are also focusing the same timeline. And this backward integration, like as we said, this backward integration can help us move forward in the upcoming quarters.
Indeed, but Mr. Ramkumar, also along with that, with the rising competition from the integrated 3PL players, how do you plan to sustain the margins, and how is the customer stickiness looking like?
So customer stickiness is the key criteria, so we are trying to focus more on that. So being a 21 years of journey in this company, so we are focusing, it is all customer centric. And secondly, as you rightly said, there is enough competition in the market, but we try to give timely solutions, tailor-made solutions to the customers, so which is helping us to win customers' confidence.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us today and taking us through the entire outlook. And we hope to connect with you again. On that note, we'll let you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, then. Before